P-O freaking V. It's New Year's Eve. Whoa.
Santa, Santa, why do you hate me? I'm a gift, look how God made me.
I thought you said you're surprising.
Well, it's more like your surprise and activity for me.
Oh, I saw that. I don't understand what it is.
Oh, did you not open it? You open the oyster, and then there's a pearl. I bought it for $2 at a store that was closing.
It looks open. What is this thing?
A necklace.
So you open the oyster and you get a necklace?
Then you put it in here.
When are you gonna do this?
I'm gonna do it because I bought it for $2. So.
Upside down, you turn me.
Okay, prediction. Go.
Jonathan and Nancy will die. I'm gonna say 5 because they said there's 5 confirmed. Jonathan, Nancy, I guess 11. Dustin, and what's the other guy's name? Steve.
Anna.
Ollie, Derek, everyone else.
11, Papa, Will, Dustin, and I don't know.
Turn around. The mirror of your dreams.
Into the season finale of Stranger Things.
I'm not the disappointed. I was disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. It was good, I cried.
Now she's gonna cry for the rest of the new year, guys.
I thought it was great.
Where did he get a wig? How much was he drinking?
Music is a world within itself.
Still going. Still going. Let me try.
Another light.
This is a bit anticlimactic.
Hell.
Guys, it just hit 2026. So the first thing on the agenda, I got this at a store in Austin for $2 because they were closing. Here's the oyster. Oh, it comes with its own. This is the oyster I'm about to shuck. Oh, it's actually called a mollusk. The different pearls stand for something. Wisdom, success, health, wealth, and love. Guys, I'm manifesting for my unboxing love. Let's hit this $2 store in Austin. Does not fail me, guys. This will determine my 2026 year. I feel like I just opened a Vienna sausage.
There's glitter on the floor after the party.
Guys, it didn't record my unboxing. My 2026 wish is health, guys. I wanted it to be love, but it's okay. I'm making myself. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke.
Oh, I really can't do anything.
The pearls going in. Health and prosperity for 2026.
Happy New Year.
Winner takes